Somewhere right now, a 27-year-old is Googling how to start investing. A 34-year-old is staring at their credit card statement wondering how it got this bad. A 41-year-old just realized they have almost nothing saved for retirement. And a 19-year-old is about to sign a student loan document they don't fully understand. None of them were ever taught how money works. Not at home, not at school, not anywhere. And that's exactly why this channel exists. My name is Kari. I break down personal finance, investing, money psychology, and wealth building into simple videos that anyone can understand. No jargon, no fluff, no selling you some fantasy about getting rich overnight. Just the raw truth about how money actually works, explained simply and in a way that sticks. Here's what I believe. Financial literacy is not a luxury for the privileged, it's a basic survival skill that was deliberately left out of your education. And that missing education is costing ordinary people hundreds of thousands of dollars over their lifetimes, in retirement savings they never built, in interest payments they never should have made, in traps they walked into because nobody warned them. This channel is the warning. This channel is the education. This channel is the financial mentor most of us never had. Whether you earn $30,000 or $130,000, whether you're starting from zero or climbing out of debt, whether you're 19 or 49, if you want to understand money deeply enough that no bank, no dealership, no system can take advantage of you again, you belong here. I've already started uploading videos on this channel. Go check those out to see exactly what kind of content you can expect here. One video could change one decision. One decision could change your entire financial future. Subscribe. Your future self needs you to.